In this tutorial, I'll show you how to free up space in Gmail and Google Drive. By the end, you'll have checked your Google account storage and cleared space safely from Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos so you can keep things running smoothly. First, check your storage. In your browser, go to one.google.com/storage. On this page, you'll see a clear breakdown of what's using space across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Take a moment to note which section is using the most space. This will guide where you'll get the biggest savings next. Now, clean Google Drive. Open Google Drive in your browser. On the left sidebar, click Storage. This view lists your files by size, with the largest at the top so you can target the biggest items first. Select any files you no longer need, then click Remove to send them to the trash. Hence, don't worry, nothing is permanently deleted yet. If you remove something by mistake, you can still restore it from the trash at this point. Once you've cleared the files you don't need, go to the trash or bin in the left sidebar. Click Empty Trash to permanently delete those files and free up the space. Confirm the prompt, and this step is required. Space isn't released until the trash is emptied. Next, clean Gmail. Open Gmail in your browser. In the search bar at the top, type exactly has : attachment larger : 10 megabytes and press enter. This search shows emails with attachments larger than 10 megabytes, which are the quickest way to recover space. Review the results, select the messages you no longer need, and click delete. If you're unsure about an email, open it and quickly check the attachment before removing it. After deleting the large emails, look to the left sidebar, click trash, then click empty trash now to permanently remove those messages. Then open spam and click delete all spam messages now. Again, this is important because space isn't freed until trash and spam are emptied. If you use Google Photos, clean it next. Open Google Photos in your browser. Review your library for large videos and photos you no longer need. Focus on long videos, screen recordings, or duplicate media that takes up the most space. Select the items you want to remove and click delete. These items move to the trash first, so you still have a chance to restore them if needed. Once you're confident, open the trash in Google Photos and click Empty Trash to permanently delete the media and reclaim the space. At this point, you've checked your storage. It's removed large and unnecessary files from Google Drive, cleared heavy emails and emptied trash and spam in Gmail, and deleted big media from Google Photos, including emptying the Photos trash. Your Google account storage should now be freed up and working as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.